how are you there? Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Wina. Let's practice together. Now we learn about hobby. Kali ini kita belajar tentang kegiatan yang digemari. What's your hobby? Apa hobi kalian? Kita belajar bareng ya. Let's practice together. Singing, bernyanyi. Singing, I like singing. I want to be a singer. Saya suka bernyanyi, saya menjadi seorang penyanyi. Playing guitar, bermain gitar. Playing guitar. My hobby is playing guitar. Hobiku bermain gitar. Jogging, lari. Jogging. William's hobby is jogging. Hobi William adalah olahraga lari. Knitting, merajut. Knitting. She is knitting. Dia merajut. Sewing, menjahit. Sewing. My mother likes sewing. She makes dresses. Ibuku suka menjahit, dia membuat gaun. Painting, melukis. Painting. His hobby is painting. Hobinya melukis. Sculpting, memahat. Sculpting. He likes making a statue. His hobby is sculpting. Dia suka membuat patung, hobinya memahat. Playing fencing, bermain anggar. Playing fencing. He likes doing sport. His hobby is playing fencing. Dia suka olahraga, hobinya bermain anggar. Hiking, mendaki. Hiking. Our family like to go hiking. Keluargaku suka pergi mendaki. Rafting, arum jeram. Rafting. They use boat and paddle running along the Torrent River. They like rafting. Mereka menggunakan perahu dan kayu menyusuri sungai yang deras. Mereka menyukai arum jeram. Reading, membaca. Reading. Her hobby is reading. She likes reading storybook. Hobinya membaca. Dia suka membaca buku cerita. Cooking, memasak. Cooking. My mother's hobby is cooking. She makes delicious food. Ibuku suka memasak. Dia membuat makanan yang lezat. Climbing, memanjat. Climbing. My brother likes to go to the rock mountain. He likes climbing. Kakakku suka pergi ke bukit yang berbatu. Dia suka memanjat. Shopping, berbelanja. Shopping. Donna goes to the mall. She buys everything. Her hobby is shopping. Donna suka pergi ke mall. Dia membeli apapun. Hobinya berbelanja. Baking, memanggang. Baking. She likes to make some cake. Her hobby is baking. Dia suka membuat kue, hobinya memanggang. Diving, menyelam. Diving. His hobby is diving. Hobinya menyelam. Swimming, berenang. Swimming. My little brother likes to go to the river. He likes swimming there. Adikku suka pergi ke sungai, dia berenang di sana. Writing, menulis. Writing. He likes writing story. He made many storybooks. Dia suka membuat cerita. Dia sudah membuat banyak buku cerita. Camping, berkemah. Camping. I need tent to go camping. Saya perlu tenda untuk pergi berkemah. Surfing, berselancar. Surfing. My hobby is surfing. Hobiku berselancar. Playing piano, bermain piano. Playing piano. She likes playing piano. Dia suka bermain piano. Gardening, berkebun. Gardening. My mother likes gardening. She plants some flower. Ibuku suka berkebun. Dia menanam banyak bunga. Dancing, menari. Dancing. She likes dancing. It is traditional Dayaknis dancing. Dia suka menari. Ini adalah tarian tradisional Dayak. Listening to the radio, mendengarkan radio. Listening to the radio. My grandma likes listening to the radio. Nenekku suka mendengarkan radio. Photographing, memotret. Photographing. He likes photographing. He takes scenery picture. Dia suka memotret. Dia mengambil gambar pemandangan. Fishing, memancing. Fishing. My uncle likes going to the river, bringing fishing rod. His hobby is fishing. Kakekku suka pergi ke sungai membawa pancing. Hobinya memancing. Sailing, bersepeda. Sailing. They are riding their bike in the city park. Their hobby is sailing. Mereka mengendarai sepeda di taman kota. Hobi mereka adalah bersepeda. Now we learn from quiz. Kita belajar dari kuis berikut ini ya, perhatikan. Number 1. I like planting plants. My hobby is blank blank. A. Sewing. B. Dancing. C. Singing. D. Gardening. Answer is D. Gardening. Saya suka menanam tanaman. Hobi saya adalah D. Berkebun. Number 2. My sister has many books. She likes blank blank. A. Reading. B. Planting. C. Fishing. D. Cooking. Answer A. Reading. Punya buku banyak, hobinya adalah ya, A. Membaca. Number 3. My brother brings fishing rod and bait. He likes blank blank. Answer is C. Fishing. Saudaraku membawa pancing dan umpan. Jadi kira-kira hobinya adalah ya, C. Fishing atau memancing. Number 4. Sania practices traditional dance. Her hobby is blank blank. A. Singing. B. Sailing. C. Reading. D. Dancing. Answer is D. Dancing. Sania berlatih nari. Hobinya ya menari, dancing. Number 5. Tania likes to make cakes. Her hobby is blank blank. A. Hiking. B. Baking. C. Biking. D. Cooking. Answer is B. Baking. Orang yang suka buat kue, hobinya adalah memanggang kue, baking.